So here we have a 2020 Honda 500 Foreman EPS, so electric power shift. And an issue that can happen is that it does not shift with the electric power. So the quad is currently in neutral, but we have the line here not indicating what gear, and then it will not shift in or out of gear. It will start and is in neutral, but will not shift. So what you need to do, so what you need to do is locate the provided shift lever, pull the seat off, pull the battery cover off, right here with the tool kit is this lever right here. It's got a hex head on it, and this is what you'll be using to shift the quad. Go to the left hand side, driver's hand side. See if we can get a light in there. And it's a little difficult to see, but right behind that front drive shaft, this being the front drive shaft, right behind here, in between the shifter motor and the drive shaft, there's a lever, a little hex stud that comes out. Let's see if I can get a different angle. Right there. Just barely see the top of it. So if you're reaching behind, you'll be able to feel it. Take provided lever, now that is on. So if you start the quad, see it's in neutral, doesn't go anywhere. Reach down here, shift it. So now that there, shifting up, put the quad into reverse. Now to shift it back down, you need to remove the lever and turn it around, and then reinstall it back on. So now you pull it towards yourself. Now the quad is back into neutral. So then again, start it. Reach in, pull towards yourself. Now the quad is in first gear and can be ridden. This will get you back to camp, back to home, back to your truck, whichever, and doesn't leave you stranded when this stops working. Put the lever back into the spot, put the quad back together, ride it back to camp.